Oh man, I hate losing. I wish I could be stronger.
Did I hear someone wish to be stronger?
Yeah? Why?
I can help you.
How?
I can cast a spell on you.
What will it do?
Make you stronger?
Oh yeah, that would make sense.
Before I cast the spell, I must warn you. It comes with a terrible side effect.
Okay, what's that?
It will give you chronic indigestion.
What's that?
I don't know. Are you ready for the spell?
Sure, why not?
Oh, wait. Was that the right spell?
Kill me! And the pea shooter never showed his face to anyone ever again. Hello everybody watching this video. You're watching Punky Penguin's channel. I am Punky Penguin, and today I am finally showing you the Morph glitch. I've wanted to do this for a long time. It's a freaky glitch that's scary and could give you nightmares, but it can also be very fun. Weird but fun. So yeah, I will teach you how to do it in a second once I get both people down here. Okay, I'm here. So the first step to doing the Morph glitch is you have to die. So doesn't matter who kills you, as long as you die and you're able to be revived, you're good. It also doesn't matter who revives you, as long as you press the change character button the minute you get revived. That didn't work. It can take 30 tries. You can do it in the first try. It's like down to luck and skill at the same time. It can be pretty hard. There you go. Did it that time. So first thing I'm gonna do with Chomper and Pea Shooter. You have to go to the thing that you want to morph it with. Press square, then go to appearance, and then go to the first accessory thing, which for the Chomper, which for almost everything but Torch and Hover Goat, it is the hats. So let's do this, and we get that monstrosities thing. I'm gonna leave now. Bye. So yeah, also when they get revived, they'll look normal. When you do press square in the last minute, you'll look normal on the outside. Not like this until you do the thing. You'll look normal on the outside, but inside you'll see that place. Yeah. Unless you take a while, then you'll see the booth or the multiplayer place. You can't do this in your friend's backyard battleground. It has to be your own backyard battleground in multiplayer. And the more people there are, the more glitchy the things get. Hello. I am the Chomper. I am burrowing. I am now frozen. Bye. Oh, I forgot the teeth was at the back of my my teeth are at the back of my head. Chomper at the dentist. Open wide. That's disgusting. So their health is the same. This Chomper used to be a pea shooter, but he still has some pea shooter traits. The gestures are the same. His health is the same. He actually has kind of the same size as a pea shooter. Like if I shoot him here, okay. Certain parts of him, okay, they're kind of the same size, but we'll try and make it the same size. But if it was something like taller, like a torch would, lots of the bullets would go through him because they try and keep the same shape as well. So yeah. Also, they jump the same, they walk the same, and they have the same health. I don't know if I said that already. But yeah, that's Pea Shooter and Chomper. I'll show you the rest of them in 1 minute. So let's get this also to kill me. Wow, that's a strong corn. This is gonna be kernel corn and a peach eater. Be back in a second. Oh, thank God. Fine, that one took quite a while. My controller died on the way. So that's why the kills started going from the bottom again, because I stopped and waited for one of my controllers to charge. So what was this? Corn and pea shooter, I think, yeah. So corn plus pea shooter equals this monstrosity. Hello, freaking weird thing that shouldn't exist. Let's just punch you away. Nope, okay. Sprint tackle you away. Die, man. Okay. Okay. Got this thing now. Hey. This thing is weird. It's got... It shoots kinda weird. It has this... When it shoots, it has this Gatling thing come out. Oh, it reloads. I forgot how it reloads. It goes like... Reloads like that. Like it's eating its gun. Yum. Nyamiga, yum. Oh, so good. And then it also has its helmet come out. There we go. And it's the same thing when it's in Gatling mode. Whee. That's pretty much it. It doesn't do much in Hyper, and some Bro Beam Bomb does this. Yeah, other than that, it just looks like someone tied its mouth hole in a knot. I don't know what I don't know what it is the feature has. Yeah. Yeah, so that one's pretty weird. A rose. Ooh. It's gonna be Rose and Kernel Corn. Oh, or Kernel Corn Rose. I don't know how to say it. Let's do this. Rose one, the rose looks pretty weird. Two. Come on. There we go. Okay, so it's Rose and Kernel Corn. That's bad. Okay. It's weird. So this guy is weird. I forgot how weird there's lots of weird versions of the corn. Jeez, this one's glitchy. Okay, so first things first. Once again, its eyes are at the back of the head. The eyes are at the back of the head, and the other bit's just hanging to the side. Like, hey, bro, how you doing? I can't see much. Freaking. It's weird. Shoots kind of weird. Oh wait, struck shots from the bottom. Charged at the bottom. The rose was in the way. There's not much to see in that struck shot, or not struck shot, Hascop. We can do this. Or rainbow farts. What else? Yeah, there you go, from the bottom. Oh yeah, these. Yeah, enough of that crazy freak. Let's go to here. Let's see what the next one will be. The next one is kernel corn and cactus, or cactus and kernel corn, whatever you want to call it. Let's kill this thing. That was weird. Come on. Live, I say. Live. Hey, yeah, the corn one is so finicky. It's hard to do it. There we go. Come on. There we go. Second try. And now we have a monstrous cactus. Yep. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, its head is on its ass. These things get weird. Okay, why did I shoot him? I didn't mean to do that. Oh wait, yeah, I did. Okay, there you go. Hello, monstrous cactus. Hey, it's here in the flesh. There you go. There you go. And just a pair of eyeballs and some glitchiness and a head that's on its ass that gradually goes up up more as it shoots. It doesn't have much stuff. It doesn't do much when with its abilities, but you know, it does that. Not much of the cactus actually, but yeah, that's pretty much it for the cactus. Okay, so the next thing, well, the next morph thing is cactus and torchwood. So let's get you dead. And then we have this angel from heaven to revive you. Oh man. That chomper was leveled up. Good for that chomper. And you die. Oh. Thought I would take more shots. Come on. Yay! Cactus and torchwood. Now, when anything gets combined with the torchwood, it becomes the size of a gigatorchwood. It's pretty weird and messed up. Let's just, you know, kill it. Yeah, and, like I said, it tries to keep the shape, so if it should appear, it won't take damage. This thing is huge, though. I'm just gonna take, I want to take a picture of this. Okay, take a picture of that. Oh, I forgot how it walks. Hello, wanna see my roots? Yeah, you like those roots? Yeah, hello. Angry? It's like, wait. Angry. And just frowning. Or whatever that is. Oh, I forgot. I forgot about this. Okay. Torchwood, the torchwood, what it does with its abilities is really cool. When I mean, it looks weird enough. So friggin', this is it shooting. Yeah, attack mode. Huh! And no matter where it's shooting from, it always faces the same direction. Same with aiming. Like, okay, okay, I'm gonna, what should I shoot? Okay, I'm gonna shoot a pole. Ta-da! It's weird. And this is it with, Blaze and Blast. It farts fire. I have a Giga Torchwood that walks, that likes to, that shows people what's under his roots, has a weird attack mode, and, farts fire. Leaf Shield doesn't work with him. Smolder Madness is the exact same thing. Whoa, well, actually no. Stay still with this. Wow! I am the evil destruction robot wood person. Yeah. Oh my god, I haven't stopped moving around. I'm just shooting now. Okay. Now it's back to its normal self. Look at its teeth. Ugh. Just look at that. Okay. Oh, let one loose again. My bad. Sorry. Oh yeah, there's this. What the hell was that? Ugh. Okay. To the next one. Okay, so this next one is a citron sunflower thing. Let's just kill the citron. Die. Come on. There we go. Yeah, now let's get this guy to the morph glitch. Damn it. Come on. Get to dying. Come on. Come on. Yay, it worked. Okay, so citron into sunflower. Morph. Hi, there. You look disturbed. Ah! Yeah. I'm gonna kill you now. There we go. All finished. Some of these can be very weird. Another thing that changes the bullet is where the bullets come from. They usually come out of this round. It would usually come out of the plant's mouth, but for the citron, it has a gun on the side, so it's coming from the side. And also, I look weird. Hey. Pedal attack. Hiya. Hiya. Ya. Yeah. Healing's not that different. Heal flower isn't that different. But if I had a mutated heal flower, this little thing becoming like this thing. Oh yeah, gestures. But the sunbeam is also different. Yeah, it goes into, because the citron goes into a ball, so it kind of goes into a weed, and not like the weed from there, like an actual weed. But you know, wherever that weed is, it's going mass destruction to us all. Yeah. So I think that's a citron sunflower. Let's go back here. Next one is a chomper rose. Yeah. I wonder if I can actually make this work. Come on. Okay, that did not work. I thought the planets just died. I didn't think they'd get launched up. Yeah, apparently they did get launched up. Okay. And let's just shoot you. Okay. Keep reviving and boom. Everything's fine. Damn, I didn't think he'd get launched in the clouds. I thought he just died. The ZPG. Come on. This jumper needs medical attention. Or that. Jumper Rose, let's do this. That thing, yay. Weird googly-eyed puppet thing. Now you can die. We can all be happy. So it's the Rose Chomper. It has feet. I didn't think the Chomper ever jumped like this, like a kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. Time Snare and Godify. Same, but check out the Arcane Enigma. I am just an orb of pure pinkness. Hoya! Ah! I meant to do that. Oh, also, my head's on. If you look closely, I don't really have a head, and I only do have one when it's and I have one. I kind of have one when it's moving, but my eyes move around. And my head's also a bit lumpy. I don't know if it was like that before or no. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm also, the Elegant Angel going. So I think its face, like its whole face, except the eyes are the chomper mouth. Oh, it's hard to think. Just, yeah, Chomper Rose, everybody. Earlier today, we did a citron sunflower. Now we're gonna do a sunflower citron. Get off my face. Ah, where is it? There we go. Come on. I will do this. Yay! Okay, so I did sunflower citron, I did citron sunflower, now it's time for sunflower citron. And we got a spider fruit citron with his ball for his face. That's cool. Just finish shooting this guy. Still has the health of a sunflower, so yeah. Hello, you weird ball thing. I am not citron or ball, but both. Who shoots laser out of face and has a seizure while doing it. Karate back kick. Hiya! It's like I'm like a dog itching his ear. Oh, that feels so much. Oh, that I'm scratching that so good. EMP, nothing. Can't do moose shield or ball, yeah. But I can't do this. Yeah, that's about it. I think that concludes all the plant ones. I think I showed you one of all the scariest plant morph glitches for each class. Now I'm gonna do the same thing with zombies. I'll be right back. Okay, the first one is engineer super brains. Let's do this. Just shoot you in the head. There we go. And revive you. The zombie ones can be a lot more scarier since they look somewhat like actual human beings. It might be it is a little bit more scary than plants. Come on. I got this. Yay! Engineer super brains at your service. Hi, this thing's scary. Ugh. I forgot how bad that was. Ugh. This is one of the reasons the morph glitch took so long, is because these things are really hard to look at. Like, for me, even for me, to look at them, it's pretty scary. Hi, I have no eyeballs, and my mouth and my jaw is snapped off and dangling, with my eyeballs joining them. And I have frickin' my cape and my arms are all twisted up and I look like a spider. With this, I do the small motion, I just do the small motions of an engineer when I punch. Ultra ball. Kinda the throwing megaphone motion. Super kick. It's hard to see stuff there. I could slow-mo that. And then the twisting tornado is literally just this. That's the twisting. That's the tropical or whatever you call it. That's the tornado thing. Yeah. Oh, also I can't jump like Super Brains. But hey, I can do this. Oh my god, I just... Oh, okay, so my legs and body, and part of my head is all normal, but the rest is all messed up. That's nice to know, okay. Goodbye, Super Brains, that's weird. Okay, the next one is Super Brains and Captain Deadbeard. And this is probably one of the weirdest ones ever. I mean, a lot of them are weird, but I think the Captain Deadbeard plus Super Brains is one of the weirdest ones. It's got the weird looks plus the weird abilities. So let me just kill this guy. So, you know, the sooner I kill him, the sooner I can revive him, the sooner I can probably fail and try again. And then the sooner I can show you this weird monstrosity. Nom nom nom. Come on. Yay! Second try. Sweet. And thus... Once again, I want to get a good view. And thus, this was born. Hello! Let me just end. Yeah, just do. There we go. It's all gone. Delicious. It's still here though. Hello. So a Super Brains. Oh, okay. First of all, whenever it moves, it takes a bite. Its head dunks into the ground and just freaking takes a bite out of it. Nom 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 nom. It's like I'm gonna headbutt you. Headbutting the ground. Even when it's moving backwards, it's not as big. But yeah. So you know, it bites out of the ground when it moves. That's a big thing. What else can I do? Gestures, let's see. Ah! That's just weird, just messed up yoga for messed up things. So, the first thing that I can do, oh yeah, first of all, it can do this, which I find pretty cool. And this is the barrel ability. This is the ability of the barrel. And it may not look like much, but then you watch it start walking. It's frickin'... Ah! I'm a frickin' woodpecker. Just pecking at this dude over here. Just don't mind me woodpecking. Oh, I blew up. Okay. This is the cannon. I'm just gonna look at this. Look at its head is just. It's just pump. There's some type of. It made like gears out of its own body part somehow. Just yeah. Oh, also only to it doesn't look up and down. Well, you don't see it look up and down. You only see it look left to right, so you can shoot one up into the sky. And you know, it'll be facing a different way. So yeah, that's this thing. Let me just finish shooting these. And then the weirdest one of all is the parrot. I'm gonna get this guy to stand back a bit, because when it goes in the parrot, it turns into a goddamn tornado. It's I think he's upside down. First of all, it's a tornado made out of a frickin' pirate. It's a frickin' pirate tornado. This should not exist. It's weird, fun and weird, and then die. Parrot's fine, of course. There you go. Hey parrot, how you doing? End it, please. So yeah, that's the pirate. Oh wait, did I get him reloading? Alright, this is how he shoots, by the way. Headbutt. Doesn't do much when he shoots. Yeah, it does the same when he's sniping. Okay. Now that's probably the most interesting one, in my opinion. But on to the next one. The next one will be an imp hover goat. This one's gonna killing the imp this time, not the imp shooting at the Citron for standing on its face. Come on. This guy's too young to die, even though it has a beard. Come on, imp. Come on. Yay! Imp plus hover goat equals. Oh, hover goat's got a character upgrade. That's nice. Reload upgrade. I'll replace it with the. Oh yeah. So imp plus hover goat equals that thing. Jesus, I don't remember it being this glitchy. I wasn't expecting it to be that glitchy. It usually isn't. I mean, I thought it wasn't. What? Meet the Impigoat. I swear the last time I used this one, it was a lot less glitchy. But here it is. Oh yeah, it makes the sound of calling for the mech a lot whenever it does. There's imp sound effects that don't even match the bullets. Strength buff the same, speed buff the same. Oh, it spins around with this speed buff. And so I'm just gonna see if there's any spot where, yeah, no. Oh. Maybe here. No, that won't work. Okay, last time I did this, I don't remember it being this glitchy. Okay, and let's do the Mega Awesome Laser. Oh yeah, it does this spinning thing. I remember this. So yeah, that's the Impigoat. I really don't remember it being that glitchy. Oh well. Okay, so the next one is Super Brains and not Super Brains up. Well, the next one is I'm blanking out here. I'm trying to keep track of all the things. I think it's Foot Soldier and Super Brains. So let's eat this man. Delicious. A lot of them are Super Brains. Okay, that failed. I must eat him again. Well, not eat him, just bite him till he dies. Imagine being bitten to death. That must be painful. Okay, come on. Oh, I thought that would be too early. We're going to Foot Soldier. That's nice. Super Brains makes weird things. Just there we go. There we go. And voila. It's back. Oh god, friggin'. Okay, I didn't realize how messed up Soldier Super Brains was. It's been a while since I've done these. Oh yeah. Oh, so it's Super Brains. This guy can't shoot anymore. Yeah, you only get like a few moments to shoot, and then that's it. So I hope you got a good glance of that. Unless I kill him again, of course, but you know, I don't want to waste that. So we got gas, that doesn't work. This doesn't work. Wow, okay. Yeah, I think most of the stuff combined with Super Brains is just for show and not for battling at all. Oh, but you can still do this. Forgot about that. Okay, that's it for Super Brains and Soldier. Next, we have Scientist and All-Star. Now let's just you know, do the thing and then the thing that makes the thing happen. Okay, see, why does that work? Why does that work like that? But when you ZPG someone, they get launched in the air. It doesn't make sense to me. There we go. Okay, I did that for the second time in this video. I just wasn't recording because I was dealing with something else. Okay, there we go. Got this guy. This all starts kind of weird. He shoots like he's showing off. Like he literally is going like, hey guys, look, I can shoot like this. Also, my head's gone. He does it when he's aiming as well. Impunt and sprint tackles aren't really a big thing about sorry. Impunts and sprint tackles aren't really a big part of it. You can cheer like a scientist though. And throw his gun. Its gun is in the right gun place. Also, its football ammo is in the ground and it hops on one leg. Forgot about that. His other leg is this white line right here. It's weird. So yeah. Later. Okay, the next one is, we did imp hover goat, now we're gonna do hover goat imp. Just shoot this guy off my face. There we go. That took a while. Let's do this. Dumb goat. Come on. There we go. Hover goat plus imp equals that thing. Yeah, that thing's that. Bye. Okay, now that I've finished doing that, let's just that's a strong goat. Okay, so we got an imp hover goat. Oh. Wait, never mind. So it's got the hover goat engine on the back of him. It's got a llama neck. It's got its arms move. Wait a second. Yeah, its arms move depending on which direction it's going. Oh god. When it moves forward, it's like someone's ripping his face out. Help me! Frickin'. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah. That's weird. Okay. Okay, it's got the hoverboat thing. Oh god! Ah! The head moves, but the body stays still. That's messed up. That's Imkata. I'm just shooting stuff. I wasn't even spinning around shooting stuff. I was just shooting stuff. What about? Oh my god, that's actually a thing. The imp is literally... He's not even in the thing, he's just peeking out the top. His body is in the thing, and it's not even in the thing, it's... I don't know whether to feel bad for the imp or the machine. Okay, but before it finishes, let's see if he does anything any different. Nope. Stopping on stuff? Nah. Supposed to escape? No, he doesn't get ejected, he just pops out. He gets pooped out by his own robot. That's nice to know. Oh wait, controller. This thing's getting a little too weird, so bye. So the next one we have is scientists, and have we go. So let's do this. Get the sunflower, and then let's just, and there we go, like so. Melt the hover goat to death. Oops. Whoops. Dang it. There we go. Sweet. Scientist. That's nice. So this is the scientist hover goat. Let me just kill it and hope it never returns. These things can be ugly. So its gun is its hoverboard. I just realized that. It's two gloves. One glove is not a glove, and the other glove is weird. His backpack goo thing is, I think, a jetpack. I don't know. His hair and his face and almost every other part of his body doesn't like him because he's eating his own shoulder. And yeah. It's hard to see where it's coming from because I get a bunch of goo in my eyes. I don't think it did that before. What else? We got a healing station. That's nice. Heal bomb isn't different. Oh, energy warp. Oh my god, I am so invincible. You guys cannot see me. I am just what? Win-win. I am back. Warping again. Yeah. So I think that's everything for the scientists except this. At least this whole, nope, never mind, this whole body doesn't turn. That's nice to know. But yeah. That's scientist never go. Going back in now. The final morph glitch I will show you is well, I did Super Brains Engineer or Engineer and Super Brains, but now I'm doing Engineer and Super Brains or Super Brains Engineer. I can't remember which ones I named which, but yeah. Die, please. There we go. Let's get this guy before it reaches 100. Come on. Yay! It didn't reach 100. Let's go to engineer. And this thing appears. Oh yeah, I forgot. He has cement on his face. Kinda looks like... He looks like a spider. Frickin'... I don't want to go near him. Imagine if you played like that in an actual game, you'd be a lot more glitchy, but lots of people would notice you and they just run away or lag out of the go out of the game because they wouldn't want to fight that. I wouldn't want to fight that. That would just be scary as hell. Oh, you're still here. Die, please. I don't want you here. He will respawn though. Hello, child. I'm coming to kill you. The fat floaty spider will come back. Spider blob. Spider blob. I'm going to take it. So yeah, I have a bunch of spider rhymes now, with a weird, messed up concrete face cement thing. Is this cement? Yeah, this is cement. That's normal. Let's see what this does. Cool. I'm like in a lounge chair. It looks like I'm like. Looks like I'm getting a pedicure. What about this thing? Of course. Even though it's not a moth or a butterfly, it's gone into a spinning cocoon. That's great. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait. Oh yes, just see this spinning thing go mayhem all over the place. Jesus, this place is destroyed. There are bullet holes everywhere. Okay, but I had fun doing that. Those are all the Morph glitches I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna show all of them because some of them are there are some other really good ones. But you know, if you wanna do them, you can find them out for yourself. Plus, yeah, this video will probably be pretty long. I haven't checked how long these will be, and but yeah, thank you. If you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. I know I enjoyed it. And also, please leave some game suggestions because there are games that if there are games that you want me to play that you say, hey, would Punky Penguin be good at this? And then you can just suggest it in the comments, and then hopefully I try and read every comment. Well, no, I don't try. I do. I don't get many comments, so I always have time to read all of them. So yeah. I'd love to know what games you want me to play. That looked weird. Just, yeah. But, yeah. Punky Penguin as a creepy spider thing out.